Hey everyone, welcome to Real English Conversations with Asher and Tara. If you're a beginner learning English, you are in the perfect place. We speak slowly, use very simple words, and talk just like real American friends, so you can practice and feel confident fast. Today's topic is something we all talk about every single day, the weather. Sunny days, rainy days, hot, cold, snow. You will learn easy vocabulary and natural phrases you can use right away.
Hi friends, I'm Tara from Seattle, and I'm super excited to chat with Asher today. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell so you never miss our fun conversations. All right, Asher, are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's go. Hey Tara, how's your morning going so far? Did you have a good breakfast? What did you eat?
Pretty good, Asher. I woke up early, had my coffee, and walked the dog. The sun is shining a little bit now. For breakfast, I had toast with jam and a banana. It was simple but nice. What about you? Did you sleep well? What did you eat this morning?
Yeah, I slept okay. I had eggs and bread with some orange juice. But I was thinking about the weather the whole time. It's been changing so much lately. Look outside right now. It's sunny, but not too hot. Perfect for a walk, right? How is the temperature feeling to you today?
Oh yes, I love days like this. In Seattle, we don't get many sunny mornings. Usually it's cloudy or rainy. How does the weather feel in Texas today? Is it humid or dry?
It's warm, like 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Not too bad. But last week it was super hot, over 95 degrees. I stayed inside with the air conditioning all day. Man, I felt like I was melting. I drank so much water and still felt tired. My shirt was wet from sweat. I could not even play basketball because it was too much.
Wow, that sounds really hot. In Seattle, we almost never get that warm. Our summers are maybe 70 or 75 at the most. I remember one summer it was 82 degrees and everyone was so excited. We all went to the lake and had a big picnic. We played games and swam in the cool water. The water was nice and refreshing.
82 degrees? That's like a cool spring day in Texas. But tell me more about that picnic. Did the weather stay nice the whole time? What food did you bring? Did you have sandwiches or fruit?
Well, it started sunny, but then around 3 o'clock, big clouds came in. Suddenly, it started raining. We ran to the cars with our food. My sandwich got a little wet, but we still had fun. We ate in the car and told jokes. We sang songs to pass the time. The rain made the windows foggy, and we drew pictures on them with our fingers. It turned a bad situation into a fun adventure. Weather really can change your plans, but not your mood if you stay positive.
Oh yeah, surprises for sure. In Texas, we have big thunderstorms sometimes. One time last year, I was driving home from work and the sky turned black in 5 minutes. The rain was so heavy I could barely see the road. I had to pull over and wait. My heart was beating fast. The thunder was loud, like boom, boom. Lightning lit up the sky.
That sounds scary. Did you get home okay? Were you alone in the car? How long did you wait?
Yeah, finally. The rain stopped after about 30 minutes, but the streets were full of water. My shoes got soaked when I got out of the car. Then the sun came out and the puddles dried up quickly. It was like magic. But my socks were wet all day at work. I had to change them when I got home. I learned to always check the weather app before I leave the house now. It shows rain, sun, wind, everything in detail.
Smart idea. I check mine every morning too. In Seattle, the forecast says light rain almost every day, but sometimes it's just a little mist. You don't even need an umbrella. Do you use umbrellas a lot in Texas? Have you ever lost one in the wind?
Not really. Maybe twice a year when it pours, but I have a big one in my car just in case. Hey, what's your favorite kind of weather, Tara? Mine is sunny and warm with a little breeze. It makes me want to go outside and run or play.
I like rainy days the most. I know that sounds funny because Seattle is famous for rain, but I put on cozy socks, make hot chocolate, and read my book. It feels peaceful. The sound of rain on the window is nice. It helps me relax after a long day at the coffee shop. What do you do on sunny days? Do you have a favorite activity?
On sunny days, I go outside right away. I play basketball with my friends at the park or ride my bike. Last weekend, it was sunny, so I went hiking with my brother. We saw beautiful flowers and a little river. The sky was so blue, no clouds at all. I felt really happy. We took pictures and ate sandwiches on a rock. The fresh air made us laugh and talk for hours.
That sounds wonderful. I went hiking once in the mountains near Seattle. It was sunny in the morning, but then it got cloudy and cold. I forgot my jacket. My teeth were chattering by the time we got back to the car. I had to turn the heater on full. My hands were so cold I could not hold my water bottle well.
Oh no, I hate being cold. In Texas winters, it can get down to 30 degrees sometimes. Not super cold like in other states, but I still wear my warm coat and gloves. Do you get snow in Seattle? How much? Does the city look pretty with snow?
Very little snow, maybe once every 2 or 3 years. When it does snow, the whole city stops. Schools close, people stay home, and kids build tiny snowmen in their yards. It's like a holiday. But the snow melts really fast in 1 or 2 days. We take lots of photos and drink hot cocoa. Everyone smiles more.
In Texas, we almost never get snow. One Christmas, it snowed a tiny bit, like 2 inches. Everyone went crazy taking pictures. My mom made hot soup, and we sat by the window watching the snowfall. It was magical. My dad made a small snowman, too. We laughed because it melted by lunchtime.
I love those special moments. Weather can make memories, right? Speaking of memories, what's the worst weather you ever had? Tell me all the details. How did it affect your day?
Definitely a big heat wave 2 summers ago. It was 105 degrees for 5 days straight. My car seat burned my legs when I sat down. I drank so much water. I felt tired all the time. I could not sleep well at night because it was hot. I used a fan all night and still woke up sweaty. How about you? What was your worst?
The worst for me was a big storm last winter. Wind was blowing 50 miles an hour, trees were shaking, and power went out for 2 days. No lights, no heat, no internet. I used my phone flashlight and ate cold cereal. But my neighbors brought candles and we played card games together. It was kind of fun in the end. We told ghost stories by candlelight. It was like camping inside the house.
See? Even bad weather can turn good if you're with people. That's why I like talking about weather. It connects us. Like right now, the sun is coming out more. Feels warmer already. Do you feel the change in the air?
Yes, look at that blue sky. Perfect for our chat. Do you think the weather affects your mood, Asher? How does it change your day or your sleep?
Totally. On sunny days, I'm full of energy. I smile at strangers and work faster. But on cloudy days, I feel a little slow. I drink extra coffee. Sometimes I take a nap in the afternoon. Rainy days make me want to stay home and cook. What about you? Does rain make you happy or sad?
Rainy days make me calm and creative. I write in my journal or draw pictures. Sunny days make me want to dance. Once on a sunny Saturday, I cleaned my whole apartment with music on. Felt amazing. I danced while I vacuumed. The sun coming through the windows made everything bright and happy.
I do that too. Music and sunshine, best combination. Hey, have you ever traveled somewhere with totally different weather? Where did you go and what was it like? How did the weather feel compared to home?
Yes, I went to Hawaii last year for vacation. It was warm every day, like 80 degrees, and sunny with soft rain sometimes. The ocean was so blue. I swam every morning. I didn't want to come home. The air smelled like flowers and the breeze was gentle. It was paradise.
Hawaii sounds like paradise. I went to New York in winter once. It was freezing, like 15 degrees, with snow up to my knees. I wore 3 jackets and still felt cold. But the city looked beautiful with all the lights and snow. I drank hot chocolate every day to stay warm.
Oh, I love New York in winter. The Christmas lights make everything magical, even if your fingers are freezing. Did you try hot chocolate there? What flavor? Did it help you feel better?
Yes, the best hot chocolate ever, with marshmallows. It warmed me up right away. You know, traveling teaches you how different weather can be. In one place, it's sunny all year. In another, it rains every week. It makes you appreciate your home weather more. You learn how to pack the right clothes.
Exactly. And clothes change too. In Texas, you wear shorts and t-shirts most of the year. In Seattle, I have rain boots, rain jackets, and lots of sweaters. My closet is full. I have different clothes for every type of day. I even have a special hat for windy days.
My closet has mostly t-shirts and one big coat for winter. Simple life. But sometimes I wish for 4 real seasons, like in the Midwest. Spring flowers, summer heat, fall colors, winter snow.
It sounds fun to have change every few months.
Fall is my favorite season. The leaves turn red and orange. Air feels fresh. In Seattle, the leaves are green all year almost. But when they change, it's so pretty. I take long walks and collect leaves. I press them in books to keep the memory.
I do the same in Texas. We have beautiful sunsets in fall. Orange sky, cool breeze. I sit on my porch with my dog and just watch. No phone, no nothing, just peace. Sometimes I drink apple cider. It tastes so good in cool weather.
That sounds relaxing. Weather can be a teacher too. It reminds us we can't control everything. We plan a picnic and rain comes. We just change plans and have indoor games instead. Life is like that. You learn to be flexible.
You're right. Like last month, I planned to play basketball outside. Forecast said sunny, but it rained. So we played inside at the gym. Still had fun and laughed a lot. We ate pizza after and talked about the rain.
Plans change with the weather. My friend invited me to the beach last summer. We drove 2 hours, and when we arrived, fog. We couldn't see the ocean, but we ate ice cream and talked for hours in the car. Good memory. The ice cream was chocolate, and it made us smile.
Ice cream in the fog. Funny picture. Smile. Hey, what do you say to people who complain about the weather all the time? Do you have a good response?
I tell them, hey, at least we have weather. No, really. I say find one good thing. Too hot? Drink cold lemonade. Too rainy? Stay cozy inside. There's always something nice, like listen to music or call a friend and share stories.
Good advice. I try that too. Even in a heat wave, I think, at least my garden is growing fast. My tomatoes were huge last year. I gave some to neighbors and they were happy.
Tomatoes from your garden? Lucky. In Seattle, my garden grows moss. But the flowers love the rain. They are bright and big. I have roses that bloom even in light rain.
See? Different places, different good things. That's why talking about weather is fun. It makes you think about your home and your life. It helps you learn about other places too.
Yes, and it helps us understand each other. If someone says, it's so cold today, I know they might need a hug or hot tea. Small talk about weather is easy and nice for beginners.
Exactly. Weather connects people. Strangers on the street say, nice day, huh? And suddenly, you're friends for 2 minutes. It's a good way to start a conversation in English.
I love that. In the coffee shop I work at, customers always talk about the weather first. Rain again or finally some sun. It starts every conversation. Then we talk about other things like family or food.
Same at my basketball court. Too hot to play, or perfect weather today. Makes the game better. Everyone is happier and plays longer.
Looking outside. Speaking of today, the sun is even brighter now. Maybe we should go for a short walk after this. What do you think?
Great idea. But first, let's wrap up for our friends watching. What's one thing you want them to remember about talking about the weather? Give some examples.
Thinking carefully. Use simple words like sunny, rainy, hot, cold, cloudy, windy, humid. Ask questions like, how's the weather where you are? Or do you like rain? Or what's the temperature today? Practice with friends or family. It feels natural and fun. You can say, it's a nice day today, or it looks like it might rain soon.
Yes, and don't worry if you make mistakes. I still say it's raining sometimes instead of raining. Just keep talking. Weather is everywhere, so you can practice every day. Look out the window and describe it in English. For example, if you are in a hot place, you can say, it's very hot today. I need to drink water. If it is rainy, it's raining. I will use my umbrella.
Exactly. And remember, weather changes, but good conversations last forever. Now, let's do a quick practice. Asher, how is the weather today in your imagination?
It's sunny and warm with a light breeze. How about in Seattle?
It's partly cloudy with a chance of light rain later, but right now, it's nice. See? Easy. You can try this at home with your family.
Perfect for beginners. Try it today. Look out your window and say 3 sentences about the weather in English. You can do it. It will help you speak more confidently.
Wow, that was such a fun chat. I hope you learned lots of easy ways to talk about the weather in English.
Yes, remember, every day you can look outside and practice. It's the easiest topic in the world.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Write in the comments, what's the weather like where you are today? And subscribe so you don't miss our next conversation. Turn on the bell too.
Thank you so much for watching with us. Practice speaking out loud every day, and you will improve fast.
Yeah, enjoy the weather, enjoy learning English, and we will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.
Bye, friends. Stay dry or stay sunny, whatever the weather brings. Have a great day.